Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. We would like to present about heuristic evaluation principle for SMP portal. This group member consists three people, which is Nur Shahida binti Abdul Rahman, Tatirana binti Dalis, me, and Nur Farahani binti Wasli.
First of all, the topic that we choose to discuss about the heuristic evaluation principle is UTM System Maklumat Pelajar. This system is an online platform that simplifies academic management for UTM students and staff. It provides essential features like course registration, fee payments, and exam result to ensuring efficient access to academic information. This system designed to streamline process and SMP enhance user convenience while supporting administrative tasks effectively. Number one is visibility of system status. The system will ensure users are informed by notification features like reminder to register industrial training and to pay registration fee. However, it could be improved by showing real-time status updates such as retrieving data, notification during login, or uploading document to keep user knowing of ongoing process. Number two is match between system and the real world. The UTM Sistem Maklumat Pelajar or SMP main menu is in Malay, which is great for Malaysian students because it is the national language that we use every day and it is very convenient for us to understand and use the portal. However, for international students, they might have difficulty using it because it is not their primary language. To make sure the portal more convenient for everyone, maybe UTM should consider make the system bilingual in Bahasa and English or editing on English version. Number three is user control and freedom. The system include button for emergency exit such as delete and cancel. This allow user to easily exit or delete while making mistake. User can delete anytime or not click save button.
For consistency and standard, SMP use a very simple layout and color and font too, which is white and blue, and a practical font to make sure there is readable website, and the layout is not messy, it's quite nice and simple. For clear and consistent language, uh, they seem to separate between two for avoid confusion. The example is you can see as a password and password hint to make sure the student or the user know where to go when there's some problem occur. For help user recognize, diagnose and recover from error, clear error messages are crucial for a positive user experience. By using simple language, highlighting error field visually and providing actionable solution, help user quickly identify and rectify issue. Consistent placement and styling of error message across the portal further enhance usability and reduce frustration. So as you can see picture, below the login button, there is a warning sign that highlight in red color that write out unauthorized access or password, which is alert the user why they can log in the portal. Error prevention. Confirmation dialogues are essential user interface element that safeguard against accident action by prompting user to verify their intention before executing critical operation. This dialogue mitigate the risk of data loss, system error, or irreversible change. Implementing clear and concise confirmation dialog for action taking like deleting file, logging out, or making significant changes enhance user experience and system reliability. So for login, for portal SMP, if you want to log out, there is a pop-up that will ask, do you want to confirm to log out to the portal, as you can see at the page attached. A forgot password link prominently displayed on the login page empower users to independently recover their forgotten credentials. This convenient feature eliminates the need for users to memorize complex recovery procedures or rely on external assistance. Furthermore, browser autofill support when enabled streamline the login process by automatically populating username and password field. This reduces cognitive load and minimizes the risk of input error, ultimately enhance the overall user experience. As you can see, the picture above, there is a button for forgot password, and below it, there is a password if you give permission to the server to save your password. So when you want to log in the website, there is automatically autofill.
For flexibility and efficiency of use, GSMP really friendly user, and as a example for assist user, they can fulfill their information and tick the autofill option, so they can speed up their task and no need to waste time to refill again the information. For the new user, SMP already provide their guidelines step by step how to use SMP. For aesthetic and minimalist design, the SMP designed by focusing on simplicity and relevance. For the uh, for the interface, the SMP should display only recommend information for each task, just like the picture that I have been attached and both sides. There's many columns that shows every single column that have many information that a student wants to know, and then they just click, and without any distractions or any ads, and then the SMP was a clean design, so they can be usability to help user focus on what they wants to do. For the help and documentation, SMP already provide the accessible and clear actionable user support. This user support is to help the user how to use the SMP, and then they already give a guideline step by step and column by column to user how to use it. Every documentation have their own uh, resource source that can be understand by that can understand to users, so it's really help for the user uh, on how to use the SMP. In conclusion, overall, SMP applies all the heuristic evaluation, so it may help for the user to use it, and it's can uh, prevent the confusion while errors, and then can be validate features and help users to recognize, prevent, uh, and can over from mistakes. So SMP is a minimalist design, so it's really helpful for users. Thank you. That's all for us.